Alright guys, today we're doing a cornbread recipe. My favorite way to cook cornbread is in cast iron. So what I have here is a 10-inch cast iron pan. And to this we are adding bacon grease. Bam! About a tablespoon worth, because it is already seasoned, but we need the bacon grease. So a tablespoon of that. And then this is going to go into our oven while the oven is preheating. This is a crucial step. It makes for that crispy outer crust that is just amazing with cornbread. So we're going to do this, and let's get a bowl to do the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I usually make my cornbread two ways. I either make it sweet, like Jiffy, or it is Jiffy, or I make it this way. And I actually have really grown to like it this way better, and it has no sugar. Super simple ingredients. You want 2 cups of cornmeal. I have a big jar of cornmeal. Just 1. And 2. You want a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda, and then we're going to stir this together. I also have 6 tablespoons of butter that I just melted down. And I'm going to let that cool for a second before I mix that in. So get all that salt and baking soda mixed in. Now 1 egg. And that egg was kind of small. You want a large egg, but hopefully that's going to be enough. And I just kind of whisk it a tad just by itself. And then you want 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk. Now this is full fat buttermilk. It is phenomenal. I didn't even know you could buy full fat buttermilk, but you can, and I got it. Okay, there's that. And buttermilk makes all the difference whenever you're doing cornbread. You don't want to work it too much because you don't want tough cornbread. Just make sure everything is well incorporated. Alright, and now we're going to whisk as we're pouring in our 6 tablespoons of butter. Again, just until you feel that it's incorporated. Perfect. Now, the best part is putting it in a hot skillet. So that skillet had the bacon grease in it, and it's been in our oven preheating this whole time. So get that out. And that sizzle is what you want to hear. Alright, and I just kind of carefully even it out as much as I can. And now this is going to go into our 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. And then it will be done. 6 minutes later, and there you go, or not 26, oh my goodness, 20 minutes later. It was 12:26 when this was done. That's where that came from. But just came out, it's golden brown, and you can see it started to pull away from the edges. That's how you know it's done. This makes me want to make a big pot of beans or beef stew. Either one would be fine with me. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Look at that. Is that not the most beautiful piece of cornbread? That's very, very hot. And look at that. Absolutely nothing to clean up on my cast iron. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Try it out for yourself. It is so easy and so rewarding to make stuff homemade without preservatives, to where you know exactly what's in your ingredients. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching.